Hey, what's up guys? It's me back with another banger video. Today we're just gonna be playing games, making some cool plays, and overall, just having fun. So, y'all, I'm almost hitting 20 subs. At least y'all can do is tell one of your friends to sub. Please, that would mean a lot to me, and yeah, it would just mean a lot. Just please. Just one more sub. And maybe we can get into a game one time or something, you know? Because that would be fun. I just want one more sub until I hit 20. So, yeah. Big thanks is to Chester the Gamer. Just because, like, he helped me with a lot. He got me a couple subs, you know? I shout out his channel, he shouts out mine. The normal. Won't let me go up the ladder. I don't know what it was. My game's laggy. Come on. Oh, turn around. I'll turn back. Y'all must be on some. Steal my kills, why don't you? Yeah. Behind you. Okay. My game is getting laggy, and my mouse is stuck, so hold on, let me untangle my mouse. And, yeah. Just playing games. Barely talking because, like, I might do some sniping right now. All my nose itches. And I fell off. I hate this. I get down. Okay, guys. Yeah, well, I'm just gonna snipe up here for a little bit. Oh, Goku, what's wrong? Another one? I don't know. Oh, okay. That means there's somebody. Okay. This is hard. I'm not more of the sniper person. Oh, no, I'm gonna hit one of those. Just no scopes, bro. Watch me hit one of these guys. Mock my words. I will hit one. Oh! Did y'all see how close that was to his head? Like, I would have had that. Yep, I'm gonna make these. Watch. I will kill this dude with a no scope. Sorry, I'm gonna have to let the dog out. He wants out. There you go, Goku. Yeah, but I will hit this guy. This will be what I'm hitting this game. Cause okay. I can't hit him. He don't like this. No, I won't even. I'm still gonna go for a no scope, just a different gun. Oh, round ended. Okay, next round. I'm gonna try no scoping with this. Wait, a shotgun? Because that would be so much harder. Just no scope with this. Somebody up there. Should have known that. One more up. And then I jump. Oh, guys. Yes. Oh, that just ran off the map. I know this is kind of cheap, but and whatever works. I'm so bad. Wait, am I a good guy? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm a good guy. No, I'm a bad guy. This time. Oh, like yo, cut. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. No, I'm going back to full-on old school shotgun. OG. Come here, boy. Whoa, it's getting laggy for me. Ah. Okay. Ah! Come on, let me get a 3 kill right here, right here, right here. Yes! Oh, what? I haven't done yet. Bro, we hit those, we hit those. Oh my god, everybody's coming around me. Bye-bye. Why is it so laggy? Oh, I missed one dude, but I hit the other. Ninja left. Oh, I was dominating. I just got 8 kills right there. What the shot? Oh, okay. I ain't got the shotgun in hand, but okay, here we go. Here we go. Hold on, be smart. Okay, got that. Whoa, whoa. What was that? Tell me that was not, that was either aimbot or just, this kid just got extremely lucky. Because there is no way you just hit all them. Whoa, it's laggy. I have aimbot. This kid got aimbot, bro. Die. For an aimbot user, you kind of suck. Well, that's the end of this video, guys. Like, subscribe.